So I don't know a single mixed media artist who doesn't love to do art in an art journal, right? So for me personally, I only use one. I have about 8 finished already, and that is the Strathmore hardcover. I love that it's a book because then I can travel with it. This thing, all mine have come to Scotland with me many times for my retreats. They travel really well. This is filled with heavyweight, cold press, like amazing premium watercolor paper. And let me just tell you, you can do anything to the pages in this book. And trust me, I've done it all. I mean, I've done things like, I even will like, this even has like, these are like, this is bedazzled. This is like full on me gluing in 3-dimensional pieces. I just shut the door. I'm all set. It keeps everything safe and sound. Doesn't disrupt my other pages because they're so nice and thick. I also just spray. I use spray adhesive and I make different covers for mine, which is so fun. It's very cheap and it's very, very easy to do. But you can also, they're also great for just like graphite drawing because it's cold pressed paper. It accepts graphite beautifully well. And then you can color that very simply with watercolor or any other wet water soluble materials. So I cannot really highly recommend this journal enough. Okay. You can do any combination, any wet and dry you have together. But not only that, because I think that obvious is watercolor and graphite, but when I'm telling you I put these pages through the ringer, like I'm not joking. This is like this must be 5 layers at least. This is like stiff as a board. I put everything through the ringer. Okay, so this is collage background. This whole thing is painted. The whole thing is sealed with Mod Podge, like smothered. Okay, with many, many layers. We have punches, we have stencils, we also have Pitt pens, we also have paint markers. Like on every page, I have these all done. Okay, and you can withstand all of it. I cannot get enough. Another thing that I love about this is also there's not too many pages. Sometimes if you get a journal and it's huge, it can actually be really intimidating to like have the pressure to like fill it up. So there's only, I think there's 24, so it's like 48 sides, which is like, that's already more than enough. So if you're doing them one-sided, you have 24, which to me is like a beautiful number that I can wrap my brain around. I actually like the fact that I can think that like, oh, I could actually finish this someday. And I really like that. And having too many pages, it can be very overwhelming. So it's the only one I use. I literally have stacks of them everywhere. I love, love, love. And the big size, the 11 by 14 is my go-to. If it's too big for you, I wouldn't go any smaller than a 9 by 12, because you're gonna get carried away and you're gonna want all that space to do your fun work. So I encourage you to go big or go home and get this journal. I'm quite literally obsessed.